Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete or clear your Google Chrome incognito history on your phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to search or type right here. Then type in Chrome, then colon / net internals and hit enter. Then automatically it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on DNS right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter the website you visit right here. Let's say, for instance, I visit w.netherlands.com. Then click on lookup. Then you have the results of the particular history right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on clear host cache. And everything will be fully erased from the browse history right here. It's that simple. So simply click on clear host cache. And with that, you have deleted all your browse history in incognito mode when you visit this particular website right here. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.